Government is much like the technology world. It's always changing. And much as the internet has changed technology in a fundamental way, opening up many channels and avenues of information to people around the world, government is changing in many of the same ways. I believe that those changes are really just beginning, so there are two important changes. One is for the relationship of government and people, because government needs to recognize that citizens are spending much more time exchanging information among themselves, and many times they're exchanging information about government services. They're telling their friends, this department of government is delivering a good service, or they're complaining that this department did not give very good service. It's important for government to recognize and to listen to social networks, to what people are saying among each other. And the other change, the second change, is that government is now using social network itself with government employees able to exchange information among themselves to be able to do their work better. So there are some good examples in Europe where there are multiple government agencies that are directly communicating with people and allowing the citizens to communicate both horizontally among themselves but with government participation in a conversation. And I think also probably the most advanced examples are in Asia, where in Japan and in South Korea there's very deep involvement by government agencies in public social networks. I think it's very important that local communities and local governments be as active as possible, not just at the federal level and at the national level, and that's why I was very happy to see activity like that in Rosario and Buenos Aires. One of the most important challenges is universal access to the internet. So the remoteness of many populations in small towns and rural villages, it's still a big challenge. And then one other challenge is that government systems, the technologies and the computers on the desks of many government employees are sometimes out of date, old computer technology, and they need to refresh the actual machines that they're using so that they can have faster access to the internet and modern tools.